Hi guys, thanks for tuning back into my channel. So for today we have this is a Nikon power adapter that I bought from Shopee. So just in case you're wondering, I am now using the webcam that I bought from Lazada, the Full HD webcam that I bought from Lazada. But so for today we're checking this USB adapter. Sorry, I keep saying USB. This is the ENEL15, sorry, EP5B power adapter that will allow you to connect your Nikon camera to AC power. So with this you can power your camera via AC. So if you're going to do like long exposure shots, a lot of leaving it for time-lapse photography, or if you're going to be streaming video with your camera, this is one of the ways that you do it. Okay, so let me just grab my camera from here, and as you can see, I got some cables attached to it. Um, okay, all right. So let me just show you first the size of the camera adapter. So if you're noticing here, I've got a Nikon D610, and it is ENEL15. And it looks like the same size, yes. Size wise, it looks the same. And of course, cross fingers. I only bought this in Shopee. It's I think 500 pesos. So hopefully it doesn't destroy my camera. Okay. Now, okay. So let's install this onto our camera. So as you notice here, I have a Nikon D610, and your camera may differ a bit, but the general idea is usually the same. There is a compartment there in your camera. Mine is it's right here in the front of the camera. There's a compartment there. There's a small flap there wherein the adapter can pass through after you uh, connect for the adapter. So yes, these are actually these cameras are actually made with these adapters in mind, and I believe Nikon sells OEM or first party adapters, but this is not what I bought. This is a cheapo one from Shopee because well it's only 500 pesos and hopefully it doesn't destroy my camera here. That's all, of course, always a risk that you take with these cheap things. So there, as you can see there, the wire goes out of the camera of the battery compartment, and you can actually close your camera cover just the same way that you can close it anytime. So. I've already plugged this adapter in, and let's try this. Okay. And as you can see there, I kind of have some power there already. I can already see the status of my memory cards. And let's turn it on. Okay. Uh, Okay. Now I don't think I have anything here. Yeah. I don't have anything displayed on my window here. And there, I tried opening the menu, and as you can see here, okay. Now let's go to live view, and yeah, live view works. Let's try to autofocus there. Okay, was able to get an image. Let's try to autofocus. And yeah, so you can see my lens is rotating. So live view works, everything works as expected. And batteries reporting to be full. And looks like everything's working with this adapter. So this is a common setup that people do when they want to go live streaming. And yeah, I hope someday I'll get to use this to live stream with you guys. So with that, thanks for tuning in. If you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe. Please subscribe down at the link below, and like, share, and comment. If and see you on the next video. Thanks.